On today's episode of MotoCheez.
New bike? That thing's got some power, don't it?
Go for a ride, Whitey. Jeez. It's a bit abandoned. I don't know what the story is with this house. It's me, dear. Squirrel. Chipmunk. It's a big one. Jeez, is that a deer? Turned my head for a second. Yeah. Thanks. They liked your Whitey. They were saying do a wheelie. Yeah. With people on the road. That's a good one. See, the New York crew are cleaning up good. I got my chainsaw on the back. They wanted some help, Whitey. They wanted some help from the Hell Cougar. Closed. Well, we'll see about that. Oh. Sheeps and cows. Ah, look at all these people working over here. You ready? I'll take it out. You're alright. Sure you don't want the good one? See? You don't have to pull on the electric, do you? They all want a Hell Cougar for a cleanup crew. Swamp River. All kinds of cleanup crew in New York. Got nothing where I am. Nothing. Oh, lots of geeses. Move, geese. Get out the way. Get out the way, geese. Get out the way. Oh, they fixed it. Fixed the bridge. That road crew liked seeing a fat guy on a little bike. They were laughing. You're always thirsty, but you don't eat much. Tad over a gallon. my foot. New rider, new tires. It's alright. Gotta start somewhere. That's a little Ninja 300. New bike?
Brand new.
I seen the lines on the tires. I was like, ah, it's a brand new bike.
I'm learning.
That's good.
I'm learning.
Take your time, yeah.
Now doing my own ride.
Yeah, definitely.
Now anybody else.
You'll be on my channel.
Oh, thank you. Nice not to ride though.
Oh yeah.
Nice day. I'm loving it.
It's a little Grom clone, but I put like a 190 on it. Thing flies now.
Everyone was trying to talk me into something bigger. I'm like, no.
Nah, that's the perfect starter. Oh, they're 400 now?
400, yeah.
I thought they were 300.
No, it's a 400. My son was trying to get me to ride a 650. I'm like, no, let me take this for a while.
No, that's the perfect starter bike right there.
Starter bike, definitely.
Jeez.
Learned how to jump start it real quick.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You did?
Oh, yeah. Because I left the friggin', I did this and then I went and checked and
Oh.
I left the switch on.
Yeah. And they tell you to do that when you go to school. I always do it this way.
Yeah.
And my kids, I taught them the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, there's my kid right there.
Seriously, I was about to go down 39.
Yeah, it's open. Everything's pretty much open now. See ya. Gotta put the switch on.
Yeah, I've been doing that so I don't have to put the clutch in to stop.
Blade. We got 5,000 miles on that TBR now. Just put a brand new rear tire, brand new chain. Clutch cable broke on him. So he ordered one and it was too short. Then we're gonna see if we can do something to get it to work.
A few moments later.
I cannot get over how this thing shifts. It's awesome.
That's what a nice Teflon coated clutch cable will do. No way. What the heck? My tack is working now? Because it's sitting in the heat? I wonder if something's wrong with my CDI box. I'm gonna have to change that out. I haven't done that yet. Pretty silly of me, right? That means I'm revving the crap out of this thing. Big black snake. So 45 is 6 grand, so to do 90, I gotta do 12,000 RPMs roughly. I can't believe my tachometer's working. It hasn't worked since I've owned it. The tachometer's working.
Didn't shift that good since new. I would have gotten that cable, like,
Yeah,
I would have
makes
gotten
a big
right
difference.
away. It's like I just got a brand new bike.
Really?
That
It
thing
makes that
is
much of a
like-
difference, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you
is
leave it outside,
better
so as soon as it
than-
starts
well,
getting
that's
rust,
true,
yeah.
But
You want to take this for a ride?
I'm scared of that now.
Why? That thing's got some power, don't it?
You know, it's got some rip. You know what? On the road itself, it's like it handles great.
Yeah.
It like rips right along. For not knowing the bike or whatnot, when you first get on the dirt, it's terrifying.
Because it's narrow handlebars and the
Got a
little
different
tires.
Way about it, you know, but
What do you think of the power?
it's got balls.
Right?
It rips right along, and I like how smooth the throttle is too.
Yeah.
No, dude, that thing is great.
now my tach's not working. And it's not a wire. I checked it. Black snake. Yeah, it moves now. The hell, Cougar's no joke. That's right. So I took the CDI out, which is the original 125, because that tach was working today, which is weird. And I checked all the wiring. This is the one they sent with the motor that I did not connect. So I put the Hawk one in, which is actually a little bigger. So I guess we'll see if it's any different. See how she runs. Wow, the tach's working. Well, up to a certain point anyway. So I guess technically I should keep that bigger front sprocket on here if I plan on doing highway, because that thing's tacked out. And if that's the case, then this motor's holding up pretty good, because I've had this thing revved out. Jeez, probably 12 grand. Didn't bring the chainsaw this time, Whitey. Hopefully it won't need it. Cleared about 5 feet on that one. Just cruising along, daydreaming. I look to the left. See? Have to be 100% alert. And yeah, go ahead, say it, guys. Where's my gloves? Where's my riding gear? You're absolutely right. Because if I hit that deer doing 50, I'd have a little bit of road rash. Hola. V said he's gonna fix his Hawk again today. Let's see. I'll bet he didn't do nothing. And one of these days, I have pictures of Eddie Murphy's old estate, and every time I drive by this road, I said, oh, Eddie Murphy's place is over here. Both of my best friends actually were managing the place. So I got some pictures and stuff. It's pretty nice. Had like an indoor pool, like legit game room. Not game room, game house. Had a movie theater upstairs with the chairs and all that. I think it had maybe seating for 12. The main house is pretty big, nice. Had 2 huge swimming pools that had one waterfall into the other one, with a little hot tub jacuzzi thing next to it. And of course a pool cabana type room. It's pretty neat. I guess it's been long enough I could probably show you guys. It's probably totally different now. I don't see a Hawk out.
Much later.
You're going that way. You're going the way it's coming.
No. I'm going that way.
You're not going that way. That's south.
No.
Yes.
Alright, well.
Don't go in.
Why?
I don't want you driving in a thunderstorm.
Why not? It's not the first time. V?
You're gonna drive right into it.
No.
I'm telling you. It's over there. It's going to
Let me see. Lies. Yeah, see, I can make it.
You're not going to make it.
What do you mean I ain't gonna make it? That's Poughkeepsie here. I'm over here.
Oakway. That dot is us.
I'm east of you.
Yeah, and it's going right towards you.
I'll make it.
I'm giving you a ride home.
Gotta live life dangerously. Might get caught in a storm, Whitey. I don't think so. I think it's north of us. See? No problem. Alright. So I gotta ask. Got all these debates on wearing a mask. So, where are you on the mask debate? Anybody wants to talk about it? I'll masturbate anywhere. Sometimes you're out in public and people start talking about it. I was mask debating at the restaurant. Yeah. I've even mask debated at the post office, getting gas. People want to debate, I'll debate about the mask. Some people are saying you have to wear a mask, you should wear it all the time, you know. Everybody's mask debating all over the place. That's some rain over there. So where do you stand on the mask debate? Leave a comment below. Bet you I make a home without a drop. Uh-oh. Wind's picking up, knocking the leaves off the trees. It's gonna be a close one, boys. Climb the backside of Wingdale Mountain, no problem. Oh, hell cougar. Some power. Looks like we didn't hit any of that storm. Blue skies. He didn't know what he was talking about. Well, I guess they still are working on the trees. If they hold me too long, I will get wet. That looks like a fire guy. Maybe an accident? Must be. Oh my God, there's no other way around either. Oh, cars are coming. It's a freaking tree truck. Hit the brakes because you don't want to make the green light. Slow down, we might make the green light. Jeez, they didn't go slow enough. It's funny seeing my tack working. So make sure you mask debate with your friends. Mask debating is healthy. Part of good communication. Another great ride, Whitey.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.